Next description provided by the architects. Casa Age refers to lightness, like a feature that rests on the stones of the land and blends in with the treetops. The horizontal and modular typology architecture is divided between open decks and closed program modules. It horizontally opens up, with maximum amplitude, to the panoramic view of the mountains and, on the horizon, the Bay of Paraty. The triangular modular structure of the house is made of treat and paint eucalyptus. The floors and walls are made of the same wood. The light closings are made of braided bamboo, and the finishing of the walls was done with local soil, except for the glass and the thermoacoustic tile. The construction materials and all the labor are within a 50-kilometer radius of the building, which means more control over the origins and carbon footprint of the construction.